Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to fix lag issue in Doomsday Last Survivors game. If you are playing Doomsday Last Survivors and you're tired of experiencing lag while playing it, then this guide will show you how you can reduce or fix lags, improve performance, and make your gameplay smoother. First of all, make sure that your device meets the minimum requirement for the game. Close all the background running apps to free up RAM. Drag up from the bottom of your screen and turn off any application that is running on the background except Doomsday Last Survivors. Now, once you do that, the next thing you would want to do is to go ahead and update the Doomsday Last Survivors game. Close off the game and then launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Doomsday Last Survivors and search. After searching for Doomsday, go ahead and look for the Doomsday application and then check if there is an update button available inside the info section. If there is one, tap on update to update the latest version of Doomsday on your device. But if there is no update button, it means you already have the latest version installed. Tap on the play button to launch open the game again, and after you do that, you might be able to fix your lag issue. Now inside your lobby screen, go ahead and look for your profile avatar at the top left corner and tap on it, and then click on settings at the bottom left. Now click on system settings from the settings menu, and under graphic quality, go ahead and make sure to decrease the graphic quality and select low. If you have an old device, then your device might not meet the high graphic quality on this game, so make sure to choose low and try playing in low for some time. After you make those selections, just select low on graphic quality, frame rate, and optimized mode, and once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Get back to the game's lobby screen and check if your lag issue still persists. Also, you'll need to free up your storage space if you don't have enough storage in your device. Delete any unused applications or file to free up space, and once you do that, you'll be able to play the Doomsday game easily on your device. So by following these steps, you'll be able to make your gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, regular updates, device maintenance, and optimizing settings are key to lag-free gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.